talk us through what the process is for something like that so that people understand because why the hell is it so expensive to get cars fixed these days?
Yeah.
Like it's like honest to God. And you hear about vehicles, basically if the airbags deploy, it's my understanding the car is basically a write-off in most cases.
In most cases, yes. In most
So
cases.
let's get into a little bit of that because I'm sure there's people out there that want to know why it costs so much to do these repairs, like through insurance, because it seems like our insurance rates just keep going up, never stop.
Mm-hmm.
And the costs just keep rising.
Mm-hmm.
And I get inflation and I get the cost of living and I get all of that. But it's important that people understand the cost of doing business, as you touched on initially. People think that the money just goes into your pocket and you're just making millions of dollars every year, but you're really investing it back in your business so that you can continue to provide your clients with the best options for them.
Yeah, that's right.
Right?
Yeah. I mean, like the reason why auto body is so expensive, like also, the labor to pay, like
Yeah.
is very high up because there's a low supply of skilled workers out there.
I was going to ask.
Yeah.
I was going to ask how hard it is to get somebody that knows how to apply paint.
Yeah.
If it's the same as a 310S or a RSE mechanic, because it's tough out there.